Okay, here is a tutorial on how you make a campaign. You go to campaigns, create new campaign. You first put in the YouTube URL. Make sure that there's no space here and there's no extra space there. You click next. And you put in how many views. If you don't really want any cap, I would just put like the large, a very large number like that. If you want like a certain amount because you have a lot of campaigns, you should put that in. Then you want to put in, how it will choose, since this video, it's not my video, it's just a sample, is 12 minutes and 58 seconds, it's going to show this. So let's say I wanted to show it for whatever reason, between 15 seconds and 32 seconds. So now I have to click 0 minute or 0 minute. Let's say I wanted to do, between 2 minutes and 15 seconds to 10 minutes and 32 seconds. That's how you do it. Okay. Now, you can say how many likes you want to the ratio to plays, and this explains it. You can read over the hover over on each one of these. We have a maximum of 4% because we know what's a healthy ratio. You can pick what you want. Okay, I'll pick 2%. Same thing with comments. Again, you can view here. Let's just pick, 0.2%. Again, we base this on what is healthy, what are considered healthy ratios. And you have two options. You can either upload a CSV, put all your comments, or, if you just have a few, or if it's more convenient, you could put here, you just type in what you have. I'll just put in garbage, comment. Now, the thing to note is that each one of these has to be unique, okay? And when a user posts your comment, it can only be done one time ever for that whole video. So if you only put 3 comments, that means you're only going to get a maximum of 3 comments. So just keep that in mind when you do, plan your campaign. You want to have enough comments here. And you should find out what are reasonable or what are considered good comments, and work in your keywords as well, but within reason. Don't spam it, make it look natural. Now, here, these together need to total 100%. So a direct link would just mean, in our extension, when it shows up here, it's just going to be they click it, and then it goes directly to the video. A search would mean they're actually doing a search on YouTube for your keyword, and it's going to automatically find it and scroll towards it, and then you have to manually click it. And then the third-party link is going to be strictly to Bitly, and it's just to give more diversification. Many advertisement campaigns, whether do it on Facebook or whatever, Google, they use Bitly as a tracking. So if you want to show diversity, coming from outside, you can put in a Bitly link here, and I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's just say I want to put in 25% here, 50% here. And I'm going to make an error on purpose to show you. So if I do this, it's going to show the error. So obviously this needs to be 25%, and then the error will go away. Now, since I said 50% of my campaign is searches, I need to put in the keywords. So I put in keyword number 1. You can set the percentage. I could say, okay, I want 99%, and now this keyword, it's 1%. If I would make this, 20%, you're going to get an error. So it guides you. Now, to note these keywords have to rank within the top 100. If they don't rank within the top 100, by default, it's going to automatically tell the user when the other users are searching for or doing your campaign, it's going to convert it to a direct link. So you want to use keywords that you're actually ranking for, and you'll constantly be tweaking them. You can make it more long tail in the beginning to make sure that your video is coming up, and then gradually you can have it more broad as your ranks improve. Now, here is where you simply put in your this is going to be your Bitly link. So you can just go to Bitly. 1 second. So here is, bit.ly.com. You can just put in right here the URL, shorten, and then it spits it out here. Copy, and then you put it into your campaign. So you put it right here. And then in this example, I'm just going to have 1, so it's going to be 100%. So keep in mind, again, 100%, that means of this 25. So if I wanted to put 25 Bitly links, and then I could each one 1%. But this part is going to be representing whatever you have here. And that's it. You just click the Save button, and now it has your campaign. So when you go to click on My Campaigns, you will see it here. And then you'll be able to edit it, delete it, and view your stats here. See, I don't have it's a brand new campaign, but then you can kind of keep tabs of it. This concludes this tutorial.